Hi all my lovely foodies, it's CiCi here. Today I'd like to show you two ways to make ribeye steak. The classic versus teriyaki. Which one do you like it better? Comment below and let me know your opinion on this. And let's get started! We're gonna season both sides of the ribeye with salt and pepper. In a cast iron skillet over high heat, heat it up until smoking hot, 2 minutes. Add in the extra light olive oil. And we're gonna place the steak in a skillet and pan fry until the surface becomes golden brown, 3 minutes. Now we're gonna flip the steak and pan fry until this side becomes golden brown as well, 3 minutes. Reduce the heat to medium-low and continue to pan fry 5 minutes. And we're gonna flip it one last time. Add the butter on top. Also transfer in the garlic, rosemary, and thyme. And we're gonna pan fry for another 5 minutes. The total cook time here for a medium is about 16 minutes. Reduce by 2 minutes if you want medium rare and add additional 2 minutes if you want medium well. And we're just gonna let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Okay, so to make the sauce in a bowl, we're gonna mix in soy sauce, mirin, sake, and honey. The way to cook teriyaki steak, everything in the beginning is the same as classic steak. We're gonna season both sides of the ribeye with salt and pepper. In a cast iron skillet over high heat, heat it up until smoking hot, 2 minutes. Add in the extra light olive oil. And we're gonna pan fry the ribeye until the surface is golden brown, 3 minutes. Now we're gonna flip the steak and pan fry until this side becomes golden brown as well, 3 minutes. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Flip the ribeye. And continue to pan fry 5 minutes. Add the garlic, white part of scallions, and pour in the sauce. Pan fry for another 5 minutes. The total cook time for a medium is 16 minutes. And you can reduce by 2 minutes if you want medium rare and add additional 2 minutes if you want medium well. And lastly, we're gonna add the green part of the scallions. And we're just gonna let it rest for a few minutes before serving. I'm gonna try the classic one first and see how it tastes like. So good. So for the classic steak, it's absolutely delicious. The crispy crust is just amazing. The taste is very classic, very simple. I love the aroma of rosemary and thyme and garlic. So now I'm gonna taste this teriyaki one and see how this one tastes like. The meat is very juicy and tender all at the same time. There's also a crispy crust. Oh, so delicious. And the sauce, it's just something different, really unique with the teriyaki taste. It's sweet, it's delicious. So which one do you like it better? I really can't choose. So comment below and let me know your opinion. I will see everyone again next Friday. So subscribe, thumbs up. Bye!